Hello everyone, David Howard here, Legoland Discovery Center, Chicago's Master Model Builder. Today, I want to talk to you about a technique called sideways building. Now, the main part that I like to use for sideways building would be one of these 1x1 bricks with studs on all sides. Now this piece here I use in a ton of my creations. I use them in the cars down in Miniland. I use them when designing micro buildings, but I also use them to make a forest. So I'm going to use two of them to make the trunk of my tree. Let me show you how I'm going to do this. So what I've gathered, I have my two 1x1 bricks with 4 studs on the side. I'm just going to call this one the universal brick. And then I have 4 1x10 plates. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take one of those plates and connect one of those universal bricks at each end, just like this. So on the bottom, we have the square hole that will fit on top of a stud, and then we have a stud on top that we can build the rest of our tree on top of. And notice, I'm building in all 4 directions too. And all of it's going out to the sides. So we'll be able to build on those sides, up and down for our roots and our branches. Now I'm going to use these 1x2 bricks with a 45-degree angle on top of them. And I'm going to use them as the roots and the branches at the top of my tree, just like this. So as you can see, I'm building out towards the sides, or sideways building. Then I'm going to add a canopy that I made, or the top of my tree, just using a bunch of the large leaf pieces. And look at that. And you can even get a little bit more creative with it and add another branch on the side if you'd like, with maybe a dead leaf. Now let's add it to a forest scene. For my forest floor, I'm going to use a 6x10 dark green base plate and a 2x2 brown plate with only 1 stud in the center of it, so I can put my tree directly in the center of my forest, just like that. And then I'll add maybe some bushes on the sides, some tall grass, and there you go. So really, in order to build sideways, all you need are any kind of brick with a stud on the side. Or if you have Technic pieces with the holes in them, that you can put a Technic peg in with maybe a stud on the end, and you can build out sideways from there. Now you go and try and apply this technique to one of your creations, or maybe even build a whole forest for yourself. My name's David Howard, Legoland Discovery Center, Chicago's Master Model Builder. Keep on building.